Today we have a one owner 2017 Nissan Pathfinder SL, 10,000 miles, clean auto check. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty. Give you a look. See, it does have a nice big chrome grille with the badging and the darked out center. It does have the nice fog lights. Also has a front mounted camera to help you park. Go down the side and show you the tires and wheels. They are an 18-inch wheel. They are smoke and aluminum in color. And they have Continental tires, around 3/4 tread. It does have the nice integrated signals in the mirrors. And it has a cam mounted underneath the mirror too. It does have brushed aluminum roof racks. Black on black interior, leather. You see it does have power driver and passenger seating. Has a nice brushed aluminum on the door panels and around the vents. And middle row seating, quite adequate seating room in there. It does have the split bench seat. It does have the temperature adjusting switch back there where you can set your temperature to your liking. It does have heated rear seats. And do this way. Their seats fold two ways to access the third row. They fold flat, or you can slide them forward like that. And back tires and wheels, around 3/4 tread there also. Pretty much the same all the way around. See on the back, it does have the backup sensors. Has the rear wiper, rear defrost. Does have the power lift hatch. You see you do have your backup camera underneath there. And you see in the back, have a little bit of cargo space. You have a nice deep trunk well there if you need to haul anything. And this third row of seating will fold flat. This needs more room. And like I said, tires and wheels pretty much the same all the way around. Okay, give you a look at the interior. See inside the driver's door, you do have two-way memory seating. You have your power locks, windows, and mirrors. Have your odometer lighting controls. And light it up in here a little bit. And you will see, as soon as it lights up here, I'll tell you the current mileage exactly. It's 10,594. And on your steering wheel, you have your heads-up display. You have your source for your stereo. You have your Bluetooth and your cruise control. Over here you have your headlight controls, and over here you have your front and rear wipers. Does have push button start, and you have your nice big center mounted display screen for your backup cam and for all your audio. You can link your Bluetooth and everything through there. And we'll just go down here and show you. There's your CD slot and all your radio controls. Heating and air conditioning controls, driver and passenger side heated seats, 2-wheel 4-wheel drive selector, automatic transmission selector, and you do have a split center console. Has a shallow tray on the top and a deeper tray on the bottom. Does have a 12-volt power source, has an auxiliary port and a couple USB ports. And there's no sign of any smoke or pet smell in here. No tears or rips anywhere. I'm going to go ahead and take you out under the hood and give you a look at the engine bay. I forgot to mention it does have power steering wheel, I should say, and it does have traction control too. And under the engine, under the hood, you'll see it's nice and clean. You have a 3.5 liter V6 engine. Pretty stable engine for these Nissans. Get you pretty decent fuel economy. Nice quiet running engine. And the last thing we're going to do is I'm going to walk you around and pinpoint any blemishes that we see on the car. It's pretty clean, pretty low mileage unit. Have to excuse my raspy voice today, I have a little bit of a cold. You can see the back bumper has a couple scuffs on top, which is really common for these SUVs. People loading and unloading their luggage. A couple tiny stone chips on the front of the hood that have been touched up. Other than that, it is a nice clean vehicle. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look, maybe taking a test drive, you can give us a call, 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.